Mini Vision Next 100. The Mini Vision Next 100 is a concept vehicle that showcases Mini's vision for the future of urban mobility. With the tagline, "Every Mini is my Mini," it introduces a unique idea of car sharing, where the car adapts to the personal preferences of each user. Inside, the vehicle features a central device called the Cooperizer, which communicates with the driver using color changes. Even the exterior can be customized to match the user's style. This concept car also includes autonomous driving capabilities. It can drive itself to service centers for cleaning and charging between uses, adding to the convenience. As a concept car, the Mini Vision Next 100 doesn't have an official price. However, it represents Mini's commitment to adaptable and personalized mobility, technology that focuses on the user, and emission-free energy. It's more than just a car, it's a look into the future of personal mobility, where cars are networked, customizable, and environmentally responsible. Aeromobile 5.0 VTOL Flying Car. The Aeromobile 5.0 VTOL flying car is a groundbreaking innovation by the Slovakian company Aeromobile. This futuristic vehicle is a door-to-door flying car that seats 4 people and is powered entirely by electricity. Its propulsion system is a clever combination. A rear pusher propeller provides horizontal thrust, while 2 electric propellers on the tips of the wings enable vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL. When it's time to drive on the road, the wings pivot backward, allowing for smooth transitions between driving and flying. Safety is a priority in the Aeromobile 5.0. It includes features like airbags and even a full aircraft parachute for added protection. The flying car can travel an impressive distance of 435 miles, making it ideal for both city commutes and longer intercity trips. Upon reaching a destination, users can choose between driving or taking flight. This flexibility makes it perfect for versatile travel needs. Aeromobile's goal with the 5.0 is to achieve fully autonomous flight in the future, bringing personal air travel closer to reality. With this innovation, the future of transportation is set to be more exciting and convenient than ever before. DTV Shredder. In the world of tracked vehicles, the DTV Shredder stands out as a unique and powerful machine. It combines the features of a tank, skateboard, and jet ski into one versatile all-terrain vehicle. Whether you're facing snow, dirt, or mud, the DTV Shredder is built to handle it all with ease. Designed for all-season use, this compact vehicle offers an exciting and thrilling ride, reaching speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. It's powered by dual 20 kilowatts motors, providing impressive power and performance on any terrain. One of its standout features is the innovative rear drive system. This system not only boosts power efficiency but also ensures better stability during rides. For added comfort, the DTV Shredder is equipped with an advanced suspension system, making rough terrains feel smoother for the rider. Priced at $8,999, this off-road beast isn't just for thrill seekers. It has practical applications in both recreation and utility, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts looking for an adventurous ride or a versatile tool for rugged tasks. The DTV Shredder is more than just a fun ride. It's built for serious off-road challenges, offering both excitement and functionality. Edorado 8S Prototype. The Edorado 8S prototype redefines luxury boating with a blend of cutting-edge technology and eco-conscious design. It introduces advanced hydrofoil technology that lifts the vessel above the water, providing a smooth and silent ride. It's an experience that feels like flying over the waves. Handcrafted in the Netherlands, the 8S is designed for those who seek innovation without compromising on elegance. Every detail of the boat reflects exclusivity and craftsmanship. The carbon fiber hull not only adds to the sleek design but also boosts performance. It reaches a top speed of 38 knots, while offering a range of 40 nautical miles when cruising at 25 knots. This boat is powered by an electric drivetrain, making it an environmentally friendly choice. The retractable hydrofoil system further enhances efficiency, ensuring smooth sailing with minimal impact on the environment. The Edorado 8S isn't just a boat, it's a lifestyle. It embodies freedom, sophistication, and a commitment to sustainability. This vessel is for visionary leaders who desire more than just a ride across the water. It's for those ready to soar in style. Renault Twizy. The Renault Twizy is a compact electric quadricycle designed for city life. It's perfect for quick, efficient urban commuting. This vehicle can seat 2 passengers and comes in 2 engine options. The first is a 5 horsepower version with a top speed of 45 km per hour. The second, more powerful option, offers 17 horsepower and can reach speeds of up to 80 km per hour. With a range of up to 120 km on a full charge, the Twizy is ideal for short trips around town. Recharging is convenient too, taking just 3.5 hours from a standard electrical outlet. Its compact size is one of its biggest strengths. At just 2.34 meters long and 1.23 meters wide, it's easy to park and maneuver in tight spaces. The Twizy's unique elytra doors also add a futuristic touch while helping with easy entry and exit in crowded areas. Safety is a priority for the Twizy. It has a strong tubular chassis for protection, disc brakes for reliable stopping power, and even a driver airbag. To top it off, there are plenty of customization options to make your Twizy fit your style and driving needs. Festo Bionicopter. The Festo Bionicopter is inspired by the incredible flight abilities of a dragonfly. This lightweight flying device is a technological marvel designed to mimic the complex flight patterns of the dragonfly. The Bionicopter can move in any direction, hover in midair, and even glide without flapping its wings. These impressive capabilities are made possible by its lightweight design and the integration of advanced sensors, actuators, and mechanical components. Despite its complexity, the Bionicopter is surprisingly easy to operate. It can be controlled using just a smartphone, making it accessible for anyone. In fact, it has been recognized by the Guinness World Records 2020 as the largest flying robotic insect ever created. This innovation highlights Festo's dedication to bionic learning. By studying nature's optimization strategies, they've applied these principles to engineering, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in robotics. The Festo Bionicopter is more than just a flying robot. It's a demonstration of how technology can replicate nature's most incredible designs. BMW Dune Taxi. Exhilarating off-road innovation. Meet the BMW Dune Taxi, an exciting off-road vehicle that was showcased in a stunning video shot in the Arabian desert. Although BMW hasn't officially linked this vehicle to rally or extreme E events, its performance and design make it a standout. The Dune Taxi is powered by a robust 400 kilowatts electric motor. This motor delivers an impressive 1,000 Newton-meters of torque, giving it the strength to handle intense off-road challenges. It's not just about power. This vehicle is eco-friendly, fitting perfectly with BMW's focus on sustainability. The Dune Taxi's body is crafted from natural fiber reinforced polymer, NFRP, a sustainable alternative to carbon fiber. This material not only helps the environment, but it also provides better vibration damping, ensuring a smoother ride on rough terrain. When it comes to handling tough landscapes, the Dune Taxi excels. It features 400 mm of suspension travel along with advanced shock absorbers, which keep it stable and controlled even on the most uneven surfaces. Whether it's sand dunes or rocky trails, the Dune Taxi can tackle it all. The video highlights its exceptional performance on the desert sand. While the playful taxi theme adds some fun, it's clear that this vehicle is designed for serious off-road adventures. Its sand driving capabilities are nothing short of impressive. Green Transporter Q Express. The Green Transporter Q Express, priced at $7,500, is an impressive electric mobility vehicle made for urban and suburban travel. It combines sleek aesthetics with practical features for a smooth and convenient ride. One of its standout features is the modern LCD instrument panel, which makes it easy to track speed and battery life. Parking in tight spots is no hassle, thanks to the backup camera. Electric windows and a stylish rear window add a touch of convenience and modern design. For entertainment on the go, the built-in radio supports USB, Bluetooth, and aux connectivity, so you can stay engaged while driving. When it's cold, the defroster and remote preheat function ensure you're comfortable even before stepping inside. Powered by a strong 1200W motor and a 60-volt 52-amp battery, the Q Express can reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour. It offers a range of 25 to 35 miles on a single charge, making it a reliable option for everyday use. With 6.5 inches of ground clearance and integral damping suspension, it provides a smooth ride across various terrains, and it can support up to 550 pounds, making it a versatile choice for daily commuting or running errands. Jetgull Hydrogen Aircraft. The Jetgull is an innovative aircraft concept created by Eow Namath from Lassie Design. What sets this aircraft apart is its unique wing design and its use of hydrogen fuel, a leap toward sustainable aviation. The Jetgull features winglets at the end of its wings. These serve two important functions, acting as elevators and providing exceptional stability during flight. Its proportions are based on the classic golden ratio, a design principle that ensures harmony and efficiency. The aircraft's wide fuselage offers ample space for passengers, while its streamlined shape minimizes drag, enhancing fuel efficiency. With its focus on hydrogen fuel and sleek aerodynamics, the Jetgull presents a promising future for sustainable air travel. Raptor X. Introducing the Hunter Nature Raptor X, a rugged and versatile off-road camping trailer. While the name might remind you of a dinosaur, this Raptor X is built for the wild outdoors. It's strong, fast, and perfect for adventurous campers. The Raptor X measures 16.7 feet in length, 6.7 feet in width, and 8.5 feet in height. Inside, you get a comfortable standing height of 6.2 feet. Despite its compact size, it's packed with features. Weighing 2,932 pounds, it can handle up to 3,968 pounds of load, making it a lightweight but durable trailer. Its body is made of aluminum and rides on independent suspension with double shock absorbers, which makes it highly capable of handling tough off-road terrain. The Raptor X also has a slide-out bed that measures 59 by 25 inches, comfortably providing 3 sleeping spaces. If you need more room, an adjustable table with a storage box allows you to add up to 3 more sleeping spots. This trailer is fully equipped for extended camping trips. It has a 37-gallon freshwater tank and a 21-gallon gray water tank. In the kitchen, you'll find a gas stove, a stainless steel sink, and a Wemo refrigerator with a 76-quart capacity. For power, the Raptor X comes with a 420-watt solar system and a LiFePO4 battery with 200 amp hours. The battery system includes a 1,000-watt inverter, ensuring you have power whenever you need it. There are also 2 USB ports and LED lighting throughout the trailer for convenience. Additional features include a composting toilet, an outdoor table, and a pop-up roof measuring 43 by 67 inches with mosquito nets. For cooler weather, there's a diesel parking heater, and for hot water, you have an IMAS gas water heater. You can also customize your Raptor X with several optional upgrades. These include a pull-out outdoor kitchen, air conditioning, air suspension, and a gas-free version with a 560 amp-hour battery. Built for modern comfort and off-road capability, the Hunter Nature Raptor X is ready to take your camping adventures to the next level. Max Plus. The Max Plus scooter from Meter Mobility makes it easy to ride, no matter the weather. Despite its compact size, it offers an impressive range of nearly 16 miles on a single charge. This scooter is built for comfort and durability. It features a strong front bumper and springs that make the ride smooth and stable. The adjustable tiller ensures a personalized fit, so you can ride comfortably. Please note, the Max Plus is not considered medical equipment. Safe operation requires good eyesight, strength, coordination, balance, and concentration. For added convenience, the Max Plus includes useful features like cup holders and a USB charging port. Its rear suspension system and upgraded pneumatic tires make it perfect for rough terrain. Priced at $1,299, the Max Plus comes with free shipping and a warranty, making it a great value for anyone seeking a reliable mobility scooter. Takuma Eow. The Takuma Eow is a unique and exciting way to experience the water. It's a self-governing electric towing boat that can pull riders to their desired destination, offering limitless possibilities and thrilling sensations. With its twin-jet propulsion system and innovative hydrodynamic design, the Eow provides a consistent, smooth pull, making it perfect for foiling. Unlike traditional jet skis, it's easy to operate and requires minimal maintenance. Safety and convenience are key features of the Eow. It can self-correct in the event of a capsize and is controlled by a rider using a frequency that won't interfere with other watercraft signals. The Takuma Eow offers an impressive 60 to 85 minutes of autonomy and can reach speeds of up to 45 km per hour. It's available for $1,929, but some stores offer it for as low as $9,950. This innovative towing boat provides a new way to enjoy the water, combining adventure, safety, and ease of use.
The Vesuva tank is a unique vehicle designed for both fun and practical use. It can hit speeds of 80 km per hour and has room for up to 10 passengers. With a ground clearance of 580 millimeters and an engine that delivers up to 383 horsepower, it's well suited for off-road adventures or commercial tasks. Despite its rugged appearance, it's not a combat vehicle, but rather a sturdy and reliable machine. If you're curious, you can even book a test drive. The company hasn't revealed the official price yet, but estimates suggest it's around $76,000. Production is exclusive, with only 15 units made each year, making it a rare find. What's interesting is that you'll need a tractor driver's license to operate the Vesuva tank, since it's a bit different from your everyday car.